FirePro plastic. For new and replacement installations near buildings and boundaries, you'll need a FirePro. Our 30-minute factory-fitted fire-rated material enables compliant installation next to structures. Our unique FirePro range enables compliant installations as close as 300mm from buildings, walls or boundaries without requiring additional labour, building works or ugly fireboarding bolting to your walls. FirePro provides value for money, safety and convenience. However, there's no compromise on durability, with premium polymer and fittings giving our tanks a 10-year warranty and 20-year design life. You can upgrade to 60-minute protection for internal domestic installations or external non-domestic installations. For more information, expert advice or to place an order, contact our friendly sales team.